How to fix Valorant not launching or not opening on your device? For this first step, open up your client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair. Essentially verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after move on with next step. Next step search for run and type the following text. Services.msc, click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click it, click properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual, depends on you, but the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. Close it and come to next step. Run Riot client as an administrator. Right click it, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. And come to next step. Search for run and type the following text. MSINFO32, click enter. The system information page will appear. In this you need to check the BIOS mode, it should be in UEFI, and the secure boot state it should be in on. Make sure there are two settings. After close it and come to next step, search for run and type the following text tpm.msc, click OK. Here you need to check the status of TPM. TPM is ready for use and the specification version is 2.0. Make sure it and one more time refresh and close it. And come to next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall and click change settings. Scroll down and search for Riot client and Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application stuff not having means you need to add the application. Search for both Riot client and Valorant. For adding the application you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive, Riot games, Riot client, get the Riot client application. If you go in Valorant folder means you get the Valorant application. Click add in the bottom side and click OK. Thank you.